and Selena.
Hey guys, it's me. I'm Selena, and
I'm Jericho.
welcome back. Today
I'm gonna try being way more than I did in the other video. So I'm trying to be way more better than yesterday.
and today we are going to see what sound of dog toys, what sound dog toys make. Because some dog toys don't sound the same. So Jericho, do you want to pick first?
Yeah.
Go on. Go ahead, pick from the magical pile.
Hey.
Oh wow.
Hey, my name's Hot Dog.
All right, now you've got to try. So, where's the squeaker? Find the squeaker so you can squish it. Looks like that one doesn't have a squeaker. Okay, probably does. Oh, found it yet?
No. I've been looking all over the place.
Yeah, this probably doesn't have a squeaker.
Okay, let's try this Mickey Mouse Clubhouse.
That's my one.
Okay, I'll try this unicorn one. It's this unicorn's time.
Yep, we've heard the sound of that.
Okay.
Okay. This one's probably going to make a very loud squeaking sound.
This one is
Or not. As you can see, not all dog toys are the same. Yeah, that one's annoying, but I actually like that one more than all of these ones. Except my fave is one of them, which I won't show last. Yeah. Alright. I'm just putting the ball away. There we go. And
next hot dog.
well, yeah, I forgot about that one. The next one is Goofy. There it is. Goofy makes a squeaking sound, and
I've
seen
him.
Same.
I've never seen him. His name is Coochie Coochie Coo. Oh, Coochie Coochie Coo.
This one is like an octopus or a squid.
Comment down below what you think. I am being good today. How much I'm being like better.
Very loud squeaking sound. I actually like this one. This is not my favourite.
Ooh. A rainbow sloth with a love heart. Of course, sloths are slow.
Well, this sloth is the fastest sloth. That's because it's rainbow. Alright. I'm going to go to the next one.
What's his squeak?
Oh yeah, it's a very small squeaking sound, as I can see.
Oh wait.
Wait. This one is one of my faves, but it's not my favourite.
Hey guys, I'm Mr. Monkey.
I'm just going to do my favourite now.
My toys are back.
I'm going to do my favourite now because it's adorable and I can't let it wait. Look at him! It sounds like rustling paper. I could open it, but it doesn't open.
Okay, here's my one.
Alright, see what it does. Yep, now squeak it.
Hey, why am I so useless?
Oh, they have loads of squeakers. They make loads of sounds. Look at this one. That one's loud. Where's the other one?
The favorite one on the head. Somewhere around the head.
Alright, let's put it back. And I'm going to name him Platypus. Wow, we're almost finished here, actually. This one is a baby sloth.
That's just what he looks like without being rainbow. Who's coming into the circus today, Dumbo? I'm wearing the same shirt and trousers, and Celine's wearing something different. and be full.
Yep.
I want you to go on the outside of the cinema on this side.
This one
I guess I do.
sounds well. If a burger would sound like this.
Wait, I haven't squeezed the Dumbo. Here's the Dumbo. Squeak.
There's two more. Pick a hand.
I didn't even do the Dumbo. Now, how will we go to the circus? Yeah. Give it to me. Miss Slipper.
That's a squeaker.
You decide to find out.
There it is. Well, and yeah, don't know why some of them don't even squeak, but sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. There we go. It sounds like a mouse. What an actual mouse would sound like. Though. Alright, goodbye. And that's all of them. Bye.
Oh, don't forget to hit the like button.
Subscribe and follow.